everyone! Welcome to our educational journey to the farm. Today we're going to learn about 5 amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. First animal is the cow. Cows are large, gentle creatures known for producing milk. Did you know that an average cow can produce up to 6 to 7 gallons of milk each day? Cows also provide us with beef and leather. They usually eat grass, hay, and silage, which helps them produce all that nutritious milk. And don't forget, cows have 4 stomachs to help them digest their food. Next up, we have the chicken. Chickens are small, feathered birds that are very important on a farm. They lay eggs that we eat for breakfast, and their meat is also a common food source. Chickens can lay about 250 to 300 eggs a year. They love to peck around for insects, seeds, and grains, helping to keep the farm clean. Moving on, let's talk about the pig. Pigs are incredibly smart animals and have a great sense of smell. They are often raised for their meat, which is called pork. Pigs love to eat a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, and grains. Did you know that pigs like to roll in the mud to keep cool? It's their way of staying comfortable on hot days. Fourth animal is the sheep. Sheep are known for their woolly coats, which are sheared off to make wool for clothing and blankets. Sheep also provide meat, called lamb or mutton. They usually graze on grass and other plants. Sheep have a strong flocking instinct and feel safer when they are in a group. Finally, let's meet the horse. Horses have been friends and helpers to humans for thousands of years. They are used for riding, pulling carts, and even working fields. Horses eat grass, hay, and grains. They are known for their speed, strength, and intelligence. Did you know that horses can sleep both lying down and standing up? And there you have it! 5 wonderful farm animals: cows, chickens, pigs, sheep, and horses. Each one plays a special role on the farm and helps provide us with food, clothing, and even companionship. Thanks for joining us on this farm adventure. See you next time!